Okay, good morning. So we are here today at our recently finished project, just to check out and to mount on locking fixtures. Basically, the heater. Oh, so this is Fuego building. So let's get inside. Try to check the work. Okay, so this is the lab of Fuego. Asan ang tong kuan? So I had to step out of the room because upon checking the materials we have lacking accessories, so I'm going out to buy in the nearest hardware the needed task, the needed items, so that the mounting of heater will be complete. So this is one problem sometimes when you're not able to completely check the needed materials, so you have to be ready to run some errands to complete the necessary mounting. So see you soon. So we found one store here, so we're going to buy another one. So let's go. Okay, so currently we are struggling to find the aircon outlet. So it's quite rare here in small hardware. So we reached Pasak at Dan Enrico. So hopefully we can get the required, the needed plug. Complete the task. Okay, so mauto after 4 stops sa mga gagmayng tindahan, naabot kitag Savers Depot sa Marigondon. Naurot na sa dakong in English. Okay, hopefully makita na nato diri ang aircon plug nga atong ipangita. Finally, I found the aircon plug, pero imagine, from Tambuli naabot po Savers Depot, Marigondon. Now that we have found the aircon outlet, which is the most important accessory or fitting that we need to complete the installation of the heater, so quickly we go back to Tambuli. What a stroll. Okay, now while I'm here at it, so might as well enjoy the view around the area. So from Tambuli to here, Marigondon, it makes us a total of 4 stops or 5 stops before we are.
Okay, guys, kuan. Tinood na 6 years warranty na.